What I saw was a miracle. It was a miracle that somebody wasn't killed on Saturday night. I saw regular attacks by the police on horseback and on foot, indiscriminate baton charges against people. That was the sum total of the evening's events. And we found by Sunday morning that we had nearly 300 people who had been injured quite seriously, with stitches amounting to 10 on head injuries, legs damaged and arms and so on. Some people still hospitalised.
There seems no doubt that people who were demonstrating weren't totally in the right, though. A truck was turned over, bricks were thrown at police. What do you think about that part of things?
Well, we don't like it. We don't accept that that's part of the demonstrations which we want to run. But the issue is not that there were a few troublemakers there. The issue is the way in which the police reacted to it. They weren't there prepared to take out a few troublemakers. They were there to terrorise the thousands of people which had attended for a peaceful demonstration. They don't want people to go down there. They don't want trade unionists to demonstrate peacefully, and they're using these terror tactics to ensure that that doesn't happen.
Some reports say that people like yourself, leading officials and so on, didn't make an attempt to cool things down when things looked like getting out of hand. Was that your experience?
Well, it's extremely difficult to try and control over a dozen mounted police when they're charging at the crowd. What are we supposed to do? Say to the police, don't charge at them? That's what was done by many speakers on the platform. I wasn't on the platform, but that's what I heard. Chaos was reigning for 3 hours. It would have been impossible for anybody other than the commander or commissioner of the police to control and calm down the incidents which were occurring during the course of the evening.